Going on with it, baby? You know what I'm saying? Look, it's your boy Raheem Javon checking on in. Welcome to Raheem Javon channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to motivate. I'm here to inspire. I'm here to help lead the way if you're lost. I was once lost, you know what I'm saying, myself. I was once lost for real. But man, I'm gonna tell you like this. You can't give up. Don't ever give up on life. It's beautiful. Life is very beautiful. Don't ever give up. You gotta keep it going by any means necessary. If you're in a bad environment, you gotta find yourself to get out of the environment. You gotta get some willpower. You gotta stay down. You gotta stay down so you can get up out that environment. You know what I'm saying? Like, your life is all about your habits, you know what I'm saying? Like, what you do every day. It's gonna be about the results that you either don't want or you want. Everything happens for a reason. The way your life is going, either it's good or it's bad. I always remember it's your fault, nobody else's fault. You gotta blame yourself. You gotta take action. You gotta take the accountability of what went wrong or what's going right. Take the accountability. Don't blame yourself or blame others on what you could have done or where you could be. You know what I'm saying? Take accountability. Chin up, chest out. It's gonna be all right. You gotta keep this shit going. Focus on yourself, dog. Focus on yourself, king. You know what I'm saying? If you feel that way. If not, you know what I'm saying? This ain't the channel for you. We all about luxury, prosperity. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep God first by any means necessary. But we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on thriving. We're gonna live the life of abundance. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna live how we wanna live. We ain't gotta ask nobody. We ain't gotta tell nobody. We're just gonna wake up and go get it. Treat life like a hustle. Cause it ain't number one big ass game. You gotta wake up and go get each and every day. You gotta play hard. If you don't play hard, somebody else gonna play harder than you. They gonna take your spot. So don't give up. Don't bitch about it. Don't cry about it. You eat every day. You gotta go out there and eat every day. No matter rain, sleet, or snow. You gotta go out there and eat every day. Remember that. You gotta turn your mindset to a 100 mindset. Get out that prey mentality, you know what I'm saying? You're not a prey. That's if you wanna be. You're gonna either be the lion or the gazelle. Both of them gotta run, but check this out. One of them gonna be dinner or breakfast or lunch, but one ain't gonna live to see the next day. So I'd rather be the lion. Wake up and chase greatness every day. Check this out. I'm on IG, follow your boy. www.raheemjavon.com. That's my website. If you want to tap into my financial services, I live a life based off of results. But follow me on IG, Real Raheem Javon. I'm gonna tag it. I'm gonna put it inside the video. I'm gonna comment. I'm gonna pin it. But follow your boy. I'm checking on out. Y'all have a great week. Let's get it.